What is going on, guys? It is your boy Mighty Medusa back at it again with a fresh new video. We've been on a Nike streak. Yes, I'm sorry, but Adidas hasn't been releasing as much as Nike. Nike has been on that streak, and there's some people that kind of expose me, in the comments and all that stuff. But here we go. I present to you guys the Human Racers 2.0s.
Got him! Got him!
Nah, I'm kidding. Alright, so basically this is actually the new Deerupt S. So it comes from the Derupt series that released a year ago, I believe, and it's basically the shoe that kind of looked like, kind of like an NMD, but like they took off the blocks and they kind of put it in a fishnet. Yeah, that one. So they basically kind of made a variation that looks really similar to the Human Racers. So that's why I kind of made that joke, because Mighty Medusa is all about that comedy, you know what I mean? You dig? Starting off with the market price, it costs $110 US, not Australian and not Canadian. Alright, US dollar. And they only come in two colors, black and white. So what they kind of went for is more of a minimalistic design, and it's kind of like, comprised of the two-tone mesh upper that kind of has like the opposite color. So it kind of makes the shoe look really unique. Now there isn't really that much support from the toe box all the way to the tongue label, mainly because, the shoe is kind of light and it's just made of this mesh material. And also at the same time, the laces only go up behind the tongue label, and so the laces still does its job, but it's just gonna be a little bit of more of a loose fit. And because of that, I kind of recommend, if you don't like that loose fit, go a size down, but if you do like it, then stay true to size. Now in the back of the shoe, there's not much going on except the Leaf logo that has the same material as the tongue label, and inside the shoe they do have removable insoles, which kind of have this kind of like cushioning material, which is really nice. The shoe is actually pretty comfortable, one of the most comfortable shoes I've worn. And also along the sock line there is some padded material, and also you can kind of see how the laces have designated holes. Okay, alright, so now we're going to the outsoles. Now the outsoles is comprised of this rubber material. Now don't let the white fool you. Don't get it twisted, because it is not comprised of ultraboost material. It does look like it, but it's not. And as we go on to the night view, it's just the same thing. It's just, at night. So, no reflectivity, unfortunately. Now, for the most part, this shoe is really nice. It really goes with joggers, in my opinion, but you can also wear shorts and, long socks or ankle socks. You can wear whatever you want with them. And, once again, if you want, that loose fit, stay true to size. If you want a little bit tighter, then, you should suggest go a size under. Now, in terms of breathability, I'm just gonna give it a 5 out of 5. This is definitely a summer shoe, so basically, there's gonna be a lot of air coming. And in terms of water resistancy, these will definitely get soaked in the rain, so I'll give it a 1 out of 5. You gotta get that wet socks warning. No one likes wet socks, but if you want to know the solution of the wet socks problem, click the video up in the top right corner. And comfortability, I would give it a 5 out of 5. It's a pretty comfortable shoe. The fact that it's not even boost material, it's just a normal shoe, and it's pretty impressive how they done that. And last but certainly not least, we got lightness, also a 5 out of 5. And so, it's just self-explanatory. It's made out of mesh material, and they try to make the shoe as light as possible. And yeah, you saw that transition. Man, my editing skills is getting on point. Alright, anyways, if you like the video, you already know what to do. If you want to see more in the future, comment down below if you have any more questions. And it's been your boy, Mighty Medusa. And until next time, guys,